Hey, what's up, future editing ninjas? I'm about to show you how to create your first epic AMV in After Effects. Let's roll! Alright, step 1. Gather your clips. Make sure your clips are downloaded in good quality. Next, the timeline. This is where the magic happens. Drag the audio footage first to your timeline. After that, add the other clips you want and set up according to the beat of the song. Now let's talk transition. No one likes jump cuts that feel like a bad internet connection, so we will select our second anime video and presses to open scale, and we put a keyframe at start, and after 5 frames, put another keyframe, then go to first keyframe and scale the video like this. After that, in Effects and Presets section, type Motion Tile and drag onto the second clip. In Effect Controls, put keyframe on tile height and tile width in the starting of video, and after 5 frames, put keyframes again on both. Now, move to first keyframes and reduce the value of both as you like. Now, copy the keyframes by Ctrl+C and paste it on all the clips one by one by Ctrl+V. Now enable the motion blur for all the clips by this option. Now last step is to color grade the footage. We will simply right-click on this area and adds a adjustment layer. Now type contrast in the effects panel and apply this effect on adjustment layer. This will automatically increase the contrast and other lighting. You can also see the before and after. It's looking amazing. So, this is your first AMV in After Effects. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. If you want more tutorials, hit subscribe.